Ever wondered why some websites feel safe and seamless while others just seem risky? It all comes down to access rules. They do not just keep out malicious traffic, they protect user data, secure your content, and even build trust with your audience. In this video, I will show you how the SpreadSimple user sign-up feature helps you set smart access rules so your website is safer, faster, and more reliable. With the user sign-up feature, you can automatically collect names and emails in your Google Sheet. It's part of access management, available on the Connect and Bulk offer plans. To learn more, check out our help article on access rules. You will find the link below. When a visitor signs up, they enter their first name, last name, and email in your form. They get a verification code by email, and once confirmed, they are automatically added to a group in your Google Sheet with the access rights you set. You will also get a new sign-up notification and can adjust the group if needed. Let's see how to set up user sign-up on your website. In the website editor, go to the Access Manager tab. Open the sign-up page settings and toggle on the Enable Sign-up switch. Define the default user group. This is the group new users will be automatically added to after signing up. Customize the sign-up page welcome text using the inbuilt Markdown editor. The sign-up page is created automatically in the Pages and Links list after you enable the user sign-up feature. Once a user completes the sign-up process, they are automatically redirected to a sign-up success page. The best part is it's fully editable. That means you can use it to welcome your new users, share important info about your website, explain their access rights, or even highlight next steps they should take. By default, users will land on this page after signing up, but you can easily change the redirect to any page you like, including your home page if that works better for your flow. For example, leave a / in the field to redirect users to the home page. When a new user signs up on your website, they will receive an email with a verification code to complete the registration. After verifying their email, they will get a confirmation email. At the same time, you will receive a notification about the new sign-up. You can customize the subject and content of these emails to match your brand or provide extra information via Access Manager email settings. Let's take a look at available email templates. Sign-up verification email is sent to the user immediately after they sign up. Note that this template must include the validation code tag, which is automatically replaced with the user's verification code. If you remove this tag, users will not be able to complete the sign-up process. Sign-up confirmation email is sent to the users after they successfully verify their email address by entering the correct verification code. Sign-up notification to website owner is sent to the workspace owner at the email address associated with your SpreadSimple account whenever a new user signs up. And this is how you set up the user sign-up feature on SpreadSimple. If you have any questions left, please drop a comment below. Our team is always happy to assist. For more tips on building your website with SpreadSimple, check out our help page and other videos on our channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!